Hey guys, good afternoon. Just wanted to do a quick update on the 2008 Street Glide that we're doing the 543 cam upgrades with the high flow oil pump and the cam plate and all the True Dual Cobra, the Cobra tuner. Just wanted to show you how far we go, tear down on everything so we don't have to cut the push rods or anything. And also we do the next we do the crank run out and we replace the inner cam bearings that are in the casing with the Timken Glide from Feuling package. This is just a quick tryout to make sure that the gears for the oil pump have no play in it or anything like that. Just a quick play from other bike builders that use different brands, and we've seen issues with these with too much play on the crank. So that is really, really nice and tight, very minimal play in the crank. Stay tuned for the other pictures from this point. What we do is we go through every hole and tap it, make sure everything is good, and we clean every single bolt, make sure there's no burrs, no old dried Loctite or anything. Stay tuned, this project is coming together very nicely. Thank you.